What you got?
Sugar. And vanilla extract. And eggs, butter, extra.
No, nutmeg.
And
cinnamon.
And cinnamon.
Okay.
So first we're gonna start with the potatoes over there. That's
okay. With the potatoes. You have to boil the potatoes first.
Boil the potatoes.
This camera's up right now.
Okay.
And then you gotta peel them. You're gonna put them in this bowl.
Yeah, this little bowl.
That's a big bowl.
And
okay. We'll be back after. Oh, then you gotta have an egg in too.
Phone fell.
Yeah, the phone fell.
How did the phone fall?
I don't know.
The timer fell. Oh.
Okay.
Sorry, Mama.
Kyra is peeling the sweet potato.
Sorry, Mama. No, I say sorry.
Okay, where your fork at?
My dad, Johnny butter. Let's take the butter. This fire. Oh. It's really hot.
I told you it's hot.
What are you doing? Why are you cutting it up?
I'm taking it off, man.
It's my turn. I want to take it off. My turn. Can I take it off?
Wait a minute, y'all.
It's my turn. My turn. It's my turn.
Tell me what you did. You peeled all the potatoes.
I peeled all the potatoes.
Okay, now you got them.
And mashed them up with this?
No, with that first, with your fork. No, not. Just push them down, man. Push them down.
Push that down.
Yeah, you gotta mash them hard, you know that. Don't put your hands in it.
I told you to put that. Pie.
Okay.
So I did
okay, you gotta put your butter in.
My butter has I come. My butter in. Get my butter out.
It open right there.
Get my butter open.
Okay, don't hold it. Just don't put your hands out on it. Just let me see it. Okay.
And mix it up.
Can you put that in the trash?
Put it in the trash.
Yeah, put it in the trash. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, let me see something. Let me show you something.
I got it.
I'm trying to do something. Let it go.
Oh.
The potato still hot. You can put it. Just do it like that in the butter.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Trying to let the kids make a sweet potato pie.
Whoa, what's that do? Don't cut it.
Okay, that's cool. That's enough right there.
Can
you give me a paper towel? Give me a paper towel.
Let me match it down first. I got it.
Just pull one off. Okay.
Solid. Make the butter solid. Like this cut.
Make the butter solid.
Yeah.
You need to be solid. Okay, give me that fork.
There you go. Ooh, I did it good.
Lay that right there.
What did you do that, Mama? You dropped my egg.
Stop, little boy. Oh, my word. What she did. Okay. Put it right here.
Want to crack egg right there.
You done waste some on it. She waste all that now. Okay, King, you go put the egg in there.
Oh! Really? Why you put it right there? Can't touch the yolk.
No, we gotta take a pause. Okay, we got the eggs up. Got another egg in. Okay, she about to put in some nutmeg. All right, sprinkle it in now. Okay, that's oh wow, that's too much.
Not my turn.
Wow.
My
You
turn.
know, you put the top back on.
My turn. Ma, don't remember my turn. Shh. Don't make the
Let him do that one.
Do that one. Be careful. I'm going to put the bowl right here.
You don't have to unscrew it, baby. Just pop it up.
Pop it up.
Okay, now put something in there.
Woo! Gosh! Oh, gosh. Okay, no, do this. Sprinkle it around, okay?
You put enough.
Just sprinkle it around like me, okay?
Y'all just got too much of that in there.
Hi.
I don't know what y'all pie about to taste like.
I don't know what it's going to taste like.
Yeah, put your vanilla in there. You only need a little bit now, just a little bit.
Okay, just
Did
enough.
you put some in there?
Yep.
Let me see.
See, it's right there.
Okay.
Good, Mama.
Okay,
it was right there.
Okay, put your top back on.
Okay, good.
We're experimenting.
Experimenting.
Okay, get the milk.
My good. My good. A little bit of milk into the pot.
Okay, a little bit more.
Alright,
that might be.
Okay,
that might be enough. I don't know. Okay, then get your sugar.
Get the sugar. Get the milk.
Okay. Sprinkle some sugar in there.
Whoa! That's enough.
Come on.
Now you pour the you gotta pour
it. Holding no sugar, girl. You gotta put a little more sugar in there. Alright, that's probably good. Come on.
You put a lot in there.
Okay, now we're gonna get all this mixed in together, and we'll be back. There you go. Just a little bit. You're doing a good job, baby. Bakery in progress. He told me he wanted it, but he's good. Okay, she finished whipping this sweet potatoes up, and this is the crust. We got a graham cracker crust right here. We got 2 of those. We're going to put the filling, well, he already took his little thing off. I'm going to put the filling in there. Okay, y'all finish opening up.
Okay. We'll finish opening up. So, get the paper down.
Okay, you got to take the plastic off. Be careful.
Get the...
Hold on, right here. There's some right here. Okay, let me get it. I got nails. Let me get it. Kim, you got yours open?
Okay. Get it open.
Okay, get your hands out of it.
And pour the...
Okay, Kim, you got yours? Get your hands out of it, Kim. Okay. Trying to open it. Around here first. Pull these tabs back. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait. Wait. So you just gotta be busy about it, huh? No.
Kyra got it off.
We got the filling in the crust. You see. Yeah. As you see, the kids kind of messed it up right there on the edges. But I'm gonna put it in the oven. What y'all tell them?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Put them in the oven. Now we're gonna let them cook for a little while.
And
we'll be back. Okay, we back. The pie's out of the oven. As you can see, it's all cooked up here. And we kind of took a couple slices out of that one. But we're going to get the kids, let them taste it, see how they like it. Let me get this stuff here. Okay, y'all gotta wait. Scoop it up out of here. Oh, phone dropped it. Okay, you put that for yours.
This my big.
Okay. Wait a minute, you gotta wait on Ken to get his piece now. Cause me and your daddy, we already tasted. If I can get it out of this container here. Okay. Ken, there go your piece, baby.
Mom, this I can eat here.
Yeah, you can eat it now. So you can tell them what it tastes like. Do you like it? It tastes good? King just broke. Eat it. Hold it with your hands and eat it. What? Cut it out and pick this pie up and eat it. Now I'm going to eat another piece. All right, y'all.